Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to this measures of synchronicity class. As I said in the previous class that I will go with your next class mean, median, mode in one question. That is combined question in exams. That is the most repeated. So I will go through now the mean, median, mode in one question only. Right? In the previous class, what we did that separate calculation of mean, median and mode, that is we discussed in the previous class. In this class we will go for the combined calculation, right? So the question number I think 18 is over, 13 14, then 15 16, 17 18 over. Now we will go for the 19, question number 19, right? Which question number is 19. The question number 19 is like that. Find out arithmetic mean, median and mode for the following data. So that was the question, right? So the question is like this. Classes 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. Then take the frequency 4, 3, 2, 1. Last one is, I think this 1 is I will change now. 1 is 5. Next last is 3. So this was the question for your which one? Mean, median and mode, right? So we'll go for the solution now. Solution is like this. Okay, the question is first class 6 means x. You take the class means x, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and last one is 40 to 50. So these are the class intervals. Now what you have to do now? Write the frequency now. So frequency is like this: 4, 3, 2, 5. Last number is 3. First you have to find the CF. Why we need the CF? CF is required for median purpose, right? 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 5, 14 plus 3, 17. So the n equal to how much now? 17. This was the question. So I think 8, 10, then 17. Then you find the m now. M, why we need the m? M is required for mean purpose, direct mean purpose. How to find the m? Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. 0 plus 10 divided by 2. 5. 10 plus 20, 30. 30 divided by 2. 15. Otherwise, difference is here 10. You add the difference 10 here. 5 plus 10, 15, 25, 35, 45. Otherwise, 40 plus 50 divided by 2 is 45. Like that, what you have to do? By add those two, lower limit, upper limit divided by 2. Otherwise, take the deviation. Then this m is required now. Then you find the f into m. So f is here, m is here. Why we need the f into m? For the mean purpose. 4 into 5, 20, 3 15 is 45, 2 to 25 is 50, 5 into 35, 175, 3 into 45, 225. So not 225. We'll see this one. 120 plus 135. Okay, 3 into how much? If you multiply 3 into 45, it was 135, correct. So find the total now. So total of FM total 20 plus 45 plus 50 plus 175 plus 135. So total is 425. So this total is 425. You check once the answer comes same or not. 20, 45, 50, 175, 135. Total is 425. So now what you have to do now? First one by one. First one is arithmetic mean. What is the first question? Arithmetic mean. Formula like this: x bar equal to summation of f into m divided by n. What is f into m here? 425. What is n? N is here 17. So 425 divided by how much? 425 divided by 17. Answer is 25. Then second question. If I go with the second one is median. So for median it is not possible directly. First you have to find. I said in the yesterday class, median class you have to find n divided by 2 the item. So n divided by 2 the item, that you have to find the median class first. N is 17. 17 divided by 2 means how much? 8.5 item. So 8.5 comes. Where 8.5 comes in the CF? Located. So up to 4, 0 to 4 here, more than 4 to 7, more than 7 to 9. So more than 7 to 9 means this was the area that 8.5 comes. This 8.5 comes more than 7 and less than 9. So it comes here now. So this area is related to your median area. Which area? This one? This one your median area. Then you apply the formula. What is median? Median equal to L plus n divided by 2 minus CF divided by F into I. So what is L? L is 20. See, L is how much? Lower limit of median class 20 plus n by 2. N is 17 divided by 2. Already it is done. 17 by 2, 8.5. Use the same 8.5 minus. What is CF? CF means cumulative frequency preceding to median class. Median class of CF is 9. CF of the median class is 9. It's preceding. Preceding means how much? 7. Previous. Divided by F means median class simple frequency. This was your median class. It's a simple frequency how much? 2. Into I means how much? Width of the class. What is width here? 20 and 30. 10. Simplify this one. 20 plus so 8.5 minus 7 is 0.5 divided by 2 into 10. So 1.5 comes, not a 0.5. 1.5, 8.5 minus 7 is 1.5 by 2 into 10. So 200, 2 5 is 5 into 1.5 means 20 plus 1.5. Then answer is 27.5 is the median. So median answer is how much then? 27.5. If you find that one, you will get the same figure, that is 27.5. Next, I hope that this was clear. See, 27.5 comes within this number only. Yesterday I think I said that. So which class your median class, within that only your answer comes, median. This median 27.5 comes between these two only. It never comes less than 20, it never comes more than 30. Where whichever your median class is within that boundary only, the value of median is lies. Then move to the third one now. Which one? Mode now. What is mode? So mode equal to L plus delta 1 divided by delta 1 plus delta 2. It is not minus actually. I think yesterday when I am explaining you the theory, I think I not did a plus, actually maybe minus, but it was a plus. So delta 1 plus delta 2 into I. What is L? L is the lower limit of mode class. How to identify the mode class? See, the median class is identified by using this formula, n by 2, and it is verified in the CF. Then the median is computed here now, the class. Like that, your mode is computed by using what actually? Your mode is computed by using which one? The highest frequency. Which one is highest frequency here? See, highest frequency is 5. So 5 is the area of mode. Because how it is computed? Highest frequency. Highest frequency 5 is there. This was your mode area. Use the same mode. L 30 to 40 means 30 is a lower limit. Plus delta 1 means what? Highest frequency minus its preceding. These two difference. 5 minus 2. 3 divided by delta 1 means 3 same. Both are same. Plus what is delta 2? Highest minus next. 5 minus 2, 3. Highest frequency 5 minus 3, that is 2. Into width is 10. 30 to 40, width is 10. So find now 30 plus 3 divided by total is 5 into 10. So total is 30. 3 by 5 into 10 means 6. So answer is 36. This was your mode. See, 36 comes within these 30 to 40 only. So this is all about your computation of mean, median. Well, I hope that this question number 19 is clear now. So exactly question number 19 base only I will give you. I will assign you question number 20. You do it yourself then and you send the answer to me. Right? Same question. That is question number 20. The question number 20 is like this. This was your question number 20. Which one? The question number 20. Question number 20. Find out the mean, arithmetic mean, median and mode. Classes are like this: 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35. Then what is frequency? 4, first number is 4, 3, 2, 8, 7, 5, 6. So this is your mean, median, mode calculation. This was assigned to you. You send the question number 20 to me based on question number 19. You refer the question number 19 and send the answer to me in question number 20. Right? So this is all about your question number 20. Now I will go with your question number next one. Question number 21. Listen carefully the kind of question. The question is like this. In question number 20, I will write it here. So question number 20 is like this. Question number 21. The question is again same. Calculate arithmetic mean, median and mode. What is your question? Calculate arithmetic mean, median and mode. Question is like this. Classes, that is below example 10, next 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 and above. Next frequency 3, 5, 6, 7, 5, last is 2. Now I will repeat you now. So below, this was a question. First I will explain your question. Below 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 and above. So it means below 10 means one less than 10 one number is there. Which number? If the 10 is the upper limit, below 10 means what? 10 is the highest, below that one number means that is the lower limit. So below 10 means you don't have any lower limit in the first class. You don't know lower limit here. And 50 and above means what? After 50 one number is there. So 50 after means 50 is the least number. 50 after means what? Above means what? You will have the one number highest of the 50. More than 50. That more than number 50 means what? That was upper limit. See here, first class lower limit is not given. Last class upper limit is not given. Less than 10 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 10 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುವ ನಂಬರ್ ಅದ. ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? 10 ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ. ಸೊ ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ 10 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳಿರೋದು? ಲೋವರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಬೌವ್ 50 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 50 ನಂತರ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. 50 ಇಸ್ ಲೋವರ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಅಬೌವ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್. ಸೊ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, ಲೋವರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ನೌನ್, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ನೌನ್ ಆಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. What is open end class? If lower limit of the first class and upper limit of the last class is not known, then it is known as open end classes or open end class interval. Remember, this was a 2 marks question. Simple, you have to remember this example. Lower limit of the first class and upper limit of the last class is unknown, then it is called open end class. This is all about theory. Now I will go with your solution. In solution, this was question number 21. Remember question number 21. Now in solution, if you see here 10, 20, 30, 40 like that. So difference is 10 means less than 10. 0 is there because interval is how much? 10 to 20. Difference is 10. So 20 minus 10, 10 comes. 30, difference 10 means how? 30 minus 10 means 20, like that. 10 minus 10, 0. Your first class is 0 to 10. How it is computed? On the basis of the deviation here 10. So you come with 10 points before. Then here 50 and above means what? Add 50 to this number, 10 to this number. So 40 plus 10, 50 comes like that. Example 30 ಗೆ plus 10 add ಮಾಡಿ 40 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 50 plus 10, 60. 60 is the last class. Like that you have to change the values and your answer. In last class is 50 to last class is 50 to 60. This is all about your question of which one? Conversion of less the opponent class to the other class. And after that, write the frequency. Frequency as it is same. See 3, 5. The frequency is not changed. You copy the same. First number is 3. Next number is 5, 6, 7, 5. Last number is 2. The same number that you have to write in the question as it is, right? That was your values. Okay, move to the solution now. Solution of this open-ended class. After conversion of this open-ended classes to simple class, this was simple class and this was the question open-ended class. Now the solution is like this. We'll go to the solution. After conversion, the solution is given here. Again, you have to find what actually from the beginning. First, you have to find that very simple. First, you find the CF for medium purpose. 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 7, 21 plus 5, 26 plus 2, 28. So this total also 28. Both must be same. This was n. Then you find the m. Why we need the m? Midpoint for a mean purpose. So 0 plus 10 by 2 is 5, and increase 5, 10 here. You are also increase of 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. Then f into m, fm for mean purpose. 3 5s are 15, 5 15s are 75, 6 into 25, 150, 7 into 35, 7 into 35. Answer is 245. 5 into 45, 225. Then 2 into 55, 110. So find the total of this one, right? So 220, 150 plus 90. So answer is 820. You all check the total. So 820. So medium purpose we need the CF. Mean purpose we need the FM. No need any information for mode calculation. Mode for CFEs and class intervals enough for a mode. So move to the first answer. Arithmetic mean. So x bar equal to summation of f into m by n. What is your FM? Total 820. Then n is how much here? 28. So do it. 820 divided by 20, 29.29. Then number 2, median, that is median class. First you have to find median class. What is median class? N divided by 2th item. What is n here? 28. 28 divided by 2, 14th item. You check the 14th item in the problem. CF. Exactly 8 is over here, more than 8 into 14. Exactly 14 is here. This area belongs to median. So your median answer comes between 20 to 30 now. Then find the median formula. Median formula like this. L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by f into I. What is L? lower limit of median class 20 plus what is n by 2? 28 divided by 2. N by 2 means 28 by 2, 14. What is CF? Cumulative frequency preceding to median class. How much? 8. Divided what is simple frequency? 6. Into I is 10. Difference these two. 10. 20 plus 14 minus 8 is 6. Right? 6 divided by 6 into 10. 14 minus 8 is 6. 6 divided by 6 into 10. Then answer is 20 plus 10. 30. 30 is the median. So mean is 29.29. Median is 30. Then we will go for the mode now. Which one? Third one. Third one is mode. So mode equal to L plus delta 1 divided by delta 1 plus delta 2 into I. What is the formula for a mode? So I think it was not visible to all of you. Not possible to see. That is, I think in the previous question also the I is missing. So I will take it this side. This side of the question. See, third one is mode. Formula mode equal to L plus delta 1 by delta 1 plus delta 2 into I. So what is L? How to find the mode class highest frequency? See, 3, 5, 6, 7, 5, 7, 2. Highest frequency 7 here. So this was your mode. Mode here. So mode comes between 30 to 40. So highest frequency is 7. L is 30. Plus what is delta 1? Highest minus preceding frequency. Highest minus previous number. Highest minus previous number. Highest minus this number. That is your 7 minus 6, 1. Again delta 1 is 1 plus what is delta 2? Highest minus next. Highest frequency minus next frequency. That is 7 minus 5, 2. Into width of the class is that is 30 to 30 and 40 width is 10. Width is this one. I means 30 to 40 width is 10. Now you simplify this one. So 30 plus, right? 30 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 means 3. 1 by 3 into 10. So the answer is 30 plus 3.33. So answer is 33.33 is the mode value. So this is all about our question number 21. So this question is based on what actually? In case of open-end class. Open-end class means first class lower limit and last class upper limit is not given. That is open-end class. While solving the problem, you write the lower limit and upper limit here as per the deviation. The class interest nodkondu ಒಂದು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ನೀವೇ. So this is all about your question number 21. Now I will take you that the same question one I will assign you. That is question number 22. So take the question number 22 now. That is assigned to you all. Question number 22. Question number 22. Find out mean, median and mode. Taking the CI means class interval. Less than 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 and more. So I use here a different name, but it was open class only. Frequency 5 to 5, 8, 7, 6, 7. So highest frequency is 8 here. 8 minus 5 is delta 1, 8 minus 7 is delta 2. So mode is possible. Now in this question, see, less than 5 means what? Less than 5 number is there. That is 0. 0 to 5. 30 and above means what? 5 difference is there. 30 and the next you have to add the 5. That 35 is the above.
limit of the last class. So upper limit of the last class and lower limit of the first class is not known means it is open-ended class interval. If they are asking you an exam, you write the same theory. What is open-ended class? First class, lower limit, and last class, upper limit is not known. So this is all about question number 22, an assignment, right? So I solved in this presentation question number 19 and 20 given to you. 21 I solved, 22 given to you. So I think I assigned you two questions, 20 and 22 is assigned to you. You solve this one and you send the answer to me. Most of the boys, I am referring that again and again. Boys are not sending the answers, I am marking that one. So it will surely affect your marks. Thank you.